Hello guys, good morning, it's me again, Ryan, and I'm back with an okay day trading recap. I've been pretty busy with my swing trades lately. That's why I haven't been posting any day trades. My swing trades has been doing a lot better than my day trades. Still testing it, but it's really good, but I don't really recommend it because it's risky. So yeah, I'm not gonna show how I do it yet, since I'm still kind of like in the middle figuring out how it really works. Yeah, so today I traded BB. Yeah, it was tough, man. Seriously, it's really tough. I also traded Workhorse. So traded Workhorse for this target, risking about, I think, 50 cents here or something. Can't remember. I think I was trying to get in at 27.50, risking 27 or something. And look at that, that's really good. I got out here as planned. Yeah, so before everything else, if you haven't, please subscribe to my channel for updates, day trading updates. And if you have any questions, just comment down below. And if you want, you can follow me on my social media accounts, Ryan_PDT, and or Ryan PDT in Instagram. Same, Ryan PDT_PDT. So really nothing to say. And I forgot to record because I kind of woke up late and I was trying to check all my swing trades at the open, see if I have to take some profit. And then some of them were green. I'm like, out of 16 I'm green. Like all of the picks, I have 16 stocks right now. All of them are green. So normally when I'm buying a stock, it's like I'm always using the full buying power, distributing them, and like 5% each. And like, I'm not gonna get more details into it. Let's look at my BB. So I forgot to record. My brain is really busy. I shorted it here a bit early for 1858 breakout. It didn't really work. I stepped out, flicked my position, added because I was in early, so I only shorted it once. So I stopped out, recognizing it's gonna engulf for 19. So I took it long here. There you go. You have to be really quick. There you go, long, took some profit. I thought it's gonna break 1963, so I did not really take the whole amount. So I stepped out here. That was really bad. I tried entering again, like in this area. It just didn't work, so I stopped out. So I tried it twice here. I think this was my stop, so I think I was aggressive here. That was a loss, so I stopped out here. And then I immediately just shorted it when I saw that maybe 19 is really below 19 is really a short. So they have this 2 line here, whether I will, if it breaks out right away, I'm gonna have it long here, and this is a round number. I said I'm gonna have it short if it goes below there. It was below there, below VWAP. That's why I shorted it there, but I know it's gonna engulf. And $19, it's a round number, it's gonna squeeze, right? So it's easy like that. I know it's below VWAP, but sometimes it just goes above VWAP and then goes back to 20. And BB is like a Wall Street bet traders, so it's kind of really hard to trade. So I shorted it here, made all my money back with some loss here. I think I was aggressive. I was even adding, and look at that, 1858 broke. And then there you go. I was really trying to add here, but I was scared that it's gonna go back, because normally what happens is we'll kind of like do a V reversal. So I was being patient here, stopped out. I stopped out a few times and I just gave up. And look at that, I was right. So if I were patient, that I could have been a nice profit. So it's still kind of like struggle at this point at that time. So I took it long again, stopped out. So I was like, what am I doing? And then I moved, let's not look at that yet. Then I moved to Workhorse, not plug. Workhorse, yeah. So and then I moved to to workhorse, I said, okay, I should have traded workhorse instead. The first 2 minutes it had like yeah, 800,000 volumes. That's why I wasn't really drawn into it. And look at that, I took it long here when I saw that it's kind of like struggling here, VWAP area, and there's a round number here. I said I'm gonna kind of like take the advantage of this breakout here, like a flag, right? This is a bull flag, and then there you go. I was kind of risking 50 cents, so probably below this candle or max at 27. So I took it long, and then when I saw that it's really going up, like the price is going up slowly, I added it 3 times, and then I said, okay, this is 1-to-1, so I took more here and I just left the rest here. I was taking partial slowly because I aggressively took partial here, and it made a good amount of profit. Yeah. What else? Yeah, and then it broke more, but I was out here. So yeah, so let me share maybe some of my swing trades. My favorite one was ATOS. This was great. I'm up like 287% right now. But you know, I only have like small shares left. I just want to play around with it because I think I was kind of mostly out here, and then I held, and then when I woke up it's like wow, and then there, crazy, right? So I think I bought it, like my average is 9.93, so I bought it somewhere here, I think here, 0.93. yeah, so it's kind of like a pattern. I'm kind of like looking for a pattern actually for a breakout, because this is like oversold stock. And then I bought it here. Normally I split 5-7% of my account and then distribute them in a few stocks, and then there you go, it made the money that I needed. What else? TTOO. So I bought it like at this 114, which was here. Yeah, I think somewhere here. Yeah, this area or here, I can't remember. So imagine, how do I know? I should have like a moving average in here. So it's whatever's near 20 EMA, that's where I kind of like tend to buy it. If it's too far, it's also good. So, but I don't really recommend this. These are like low float stocks. Like it could just go back to zero. But the thing is, I don't buy more. Like I buy stocks that are below $10 for now. I also have few ones like I have really good trade. I think it was LUMN. I think LUMN, what's my average cost is 10.05. So I think I can't remember where I bought it. I think 10.05 must be somewhere here, not here. Yeah, 10.05. So I think I probably bought it here, and then maybe I took profit. I can't remember when I bought it. Oh, there's a date here. So 10.05, bought it in January. Yeah, Monday, January 4th. Was it like the first day of the year was January 4th? Yep, bought it January 4th. So probably here. So I bought it right here. I can't remember. Like January 4th must be this one. So 10.05, maybe at the close. I bought it at the close. So this is where I bought it, and look at that. I was probably risking 950 or something, and look at that. We're 1150 now. So we're up pretty good in there. We're up 13%. So, you know, like stocks that are more than $10, it's kind of hard to get bigger gains, since, you know, like compared to a 90-cent stock or a dollar stock, it can just move 300% easily, right? But it can also drop heavy. But these are low floats, so it's dangerous, but it can also move crazy. My next one was Pixie. I think Pixie was probably one of the best as well. So Pixie was average is 245. I bought it January 4th as well. Was it January 4th? Yeah. 245 January 4th. So I started buying it on New Year because when during my New Year break, I had a lot of time, and so I studied scanning and how to scan this kind of stocks, and then these are the stocks that showed me, and then after just 5 days I have like a really good profit. I was like, what is happening? Is this too good to be true? And until now it's still really good. So I still have a good profit in my account. I'm actually holding 10% profit right now. So the way I trade is, so let's say your account is invested 100%, right? So normally every day I only take 1% profit of it. So I still have actually 10% profit of my 100% investment. I already gained 10%, and I'm still not selling them because I only want to take profit 1% or 1.5 or 2% every day. So today I haven't taken any profit. I already made, I can actually take profit of 1.9% right now, but I haven't really taken profit because it hasn't reached my, I prefer my stock to reach its target. So, I only like, there's so many things that I just developed in just a month. So it's still probably really early. Then these are the kind of money that I can play around because this is kind of like a, like a disposable income. We haven't traveled. We haven't, we have extra income that we can kind of like grow, or even if we lose, it's not like our lifetime savings. So that kind of thing. So I'm not really risking my life savings in this one. So I just want to grow this account. Yeah, I think in a month I probably grew 20%, which is great, which is, I think it's too good to be true. So I'm not really still trusting this strategy, but let's see what happens. So what else? What did I buy yesterday? Did I tell you which one I bought yesterday? Well, yeah, so I'm gonna show you one that I bought. It was in my list before, so I was really aiming to buy this stock, NRBO. Like my average now is, I was late actually. I really wanted to buy it here $5, and then maybe if it goes for 75, I might just bail out because it might drop more because of someone really like, there's a volume here that I kind of didn't like, but every time it touches $5 it goes up. So my average is 539, so somewhere here I'm already up 5%, actually 7%. See, I'm up 7% in just a day. So it's a matter of whether, but the thing is, it's $5 stock. It's for you to be able to get a 100%, it has to go to $10, right? So comparing it to a cheaper one, it's really easy to get 100% moves. I have one stock that I was gonna buy. I think it was I can't remember. Oh yeah, this one, BBIG. I listed it at night. I didn't buy it at the close, and then it went from 150 to 950. So this was the night that I listed it, and then look at that. Crazy. So this is low RSI. This stock is low RSI, low 52-week, very low 52-week high, and like small 52-week low, like let's say 80-10 or 75-20%, something. Yeah. And I still have a few that I'm holding. I have some really good gains. So I have like a 9.57% gains right now. I'm not really holding. Imagine that's already 10% of my account that I'm not disposing, or that I'm not selling, because I'm being patient. I learned a lot from last year that I need to be patient with my swing trades, because last year I wasn't really focusing on my swing trades, but now since I have time and have the capital, I can kind of like play around with it. So yeah, got nothing else to say. If you have any questions, it's just I don't want to teach you this because I don't recommend this. That's the reason why. I want to try this for probably 6 months, and if I made 100% of my account in 6 months or in 3 months, then yeah, I'm gonna share this to the community or to my followers. So give me time, be patient. I'm not being greedy, it's just I'm being careful. I don't want to waste your money in case you lose, because swing trading is dangerous. Sometimes you will wake up, unlike day trading, right? Day trading, you can just close your account or your position within the day, but swing trading is like, you don't know what's gonna happen next day, right? Even you have the fundamentals or the technicals, it's tough. So yeah, that's about it. I got nothing else to say. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, just comment down below and subscribe for updates.